is gonna be the bus bringing us to Carmelo. Here's Valanta, waiting in the shadow. Probably a good choice because temperatures are rising.
Give you a little tour of our new home for the next 4 weeks. Welcome to the farm. Here you have chickens, you have sheep, you have ducks, you have rabbits,
A dog, cats, we have about everything. Valentine and I are still waiting for the dinner because today the kids are making it. And they said they didn't need any help, so let's see what they're gonna prepare. Yeah, but so far we really love it. We just arrived, so we didn't really do anything today except for settling in, unpacking our backpacks, because now we can actually unpack them because we're staying at a place for about 4 weeks, so that's something yes, actually feels really good. And yeah, I think tomorrow is gonna start. We will probably build a little bit on a vegetable garden.
we're gonna be creative.
Yeah, I think we really have to be creative because they have about everything, but we don't really have a plan yet, so we're gonna figure it out tomorrow. We have been already a little bit productive this morning. It doesn't really look good, and that's exactly the problem, but we took out a lot of wheat. Hello to this guy. Yeah, as you can see, everything is super dry, so nothing is really growing. I don't really have shade, but we are working on it. I did this. It's really hot now. Look at this. Sorry, stupid. Yeah, so this is the vegetable garden, or what is supposed to become a vegetable garden soon. Just really quickly. This is the result. It's not much growing, unfortunately, but we took out most of the weed. I think this is the best one because there's actually something growing. Gotta say, we are tired but happy because that was what we were always missing when we were home working in a computer all day. Some, I don't know, just a lot of energy, and I think always feels good when you work outside and then you actually see what you did by the end of the day. And yeah, today we did a lot of weeding, cleaning, animal petting, giving them food and water, watering the plants, stuff like that. So you see these little dudes here? They're in the huerta. And they're always making a mess. Because of them, we built a door.
This beautiful door. Okay, beautiful, I don't know. And this is the second door. With a little system. So you can open only one door and lock it. So the chickens won't eat everything.
Hopefully. But yeah, we still need to attach it to the poles. But we are missing the material at the moment.
When you construct.
We are so proud. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm enjoying my coffee while Valentin is working. That's not exactly true. I was helping him. But not that straight.
These are the old nails. They're pretty shitty.
Our construction is ready. So now they just need to plant their tomatoes and hopefully they can grow in here. Yeah, and there is a cover supposed to be on top of it for the shadow. We had a little project today.
It took us all day.
Yes, and we built a house for rabbits.
For pet rabbits.
Pet rabbits, the small ones. Because they have 2 little ones and they're getting bigger really quick, and one of them keep on escaping from the old cage, which we actually understand.
2 times.
We thought it's time that they have a bigger cage. So, let us show you the cage so far. This is it. Okay, it looks a bit not perfect yet. But here you can close it and then open it. So here they have little windows. We gotta say, we don't have any rabbits, so no judgment. But we thought it's better than what they have at the moment. Let's see their reaction. Maybe they're happy. I hope so. She's not really happy. She's really afraid. Huh? Now it's a bit more up from the ground, and obviously it's still not ready because they still don't have enough space, I think. But here you have this technique. You can pull it out and take this off, or also put it back in. You can open the roof. Usually I'm not going to do it, and you can open this part. And here they are, so they can also see through the window. You put them some fresh grass and stuff, but yeah, we know this is not enough yet. It was so hot yesterday, 40 degrees, so we slept in a tent outside.